guess y'all can see what I was listening to too. Crazy. Cause why is he just like driving so fucking slow, bro? Look at this dumbass. But anyway, man, how y'all doing today? It's your boy Stan Vlogs back with another POV, obviously, man. Last video didn't want to post, not sure why, but in the last video I was talking about the headers that I was looking into, some BBK shorties or some long tube headers. Don't know the brand I would go to in regards to the long tube headers, you know what I'm saying, but if I wanted to go with the shortest, it would definitely be BBKs. In regards to any other plans that I do have for this vehicle, bro, if we've been honest, man, I want to pro charge it. I would like to pro charge this Mustang. When I was looking into it, I know they had some kits that's like 5 Gs, 4, something like that. But that's for some good ones, I ain't lying. Oh, and also, man, in the last video I was talking about the fuel economy of this thing, bro. So a lot of y'all have been DMing me on my Instagram. By the way, the Instagram is listed below in the description. What's the fuel economy like on it? Once, you know, I deleted my resonator and started Xpiped on it. Honestly, bro, as you can see where we at right now with it. And no, I do not be putting the Mustang in sport mode when I'm currently in midday traffic. That's not something I do. If y'all want a video of me if y'all do want a video of me putting in sport mode for y'all right quick, letting y'all see what that's like, let me know, man. I'll drop a sport mode video, just, you know what I'm saying, just strictly sport mode shit. But yeah, now I've been DMing me about the fuel economy on it. It's cool. It does drink more gas than, you know, of course, with the resonator was on it, but it's still cool. Doesn't take a lot to fill up, and I'm still spending less money than what I was when I had my Infinity, man. I'm telling you, with my Infinity, bro, I used to have to spend an 80 ball at the pump basically once a week, man. Man, the Infinity was just drinking gas, bro. This freaking 18-wheeler just don't want to move. This is the day after Thanksgiving, and I'm about to get me some McDonald's type shit. Another quick pull. Bro, like, get in a lane, my nigga. Those stupid non-driving 18-wheeler head neck ass. No, I'm joking, but dude definitely was drifting lanes, so I couldn't even finish it. But look, quick vid, man. Keep liking my videos, man. Keep subscribing. I see my subscription count is going up. I really rock with y'all, bro. Like I said, headers are in the mail. I would have an installation video on them coming soon, bro. Just stay tuned, stay rocking with me as I rock with y'all. Stain Vlogs out. Look at through in the BMWs. I am no longer in the import gang, my guy. Goodbye.